Hey, this is Brady Marble with 10,000maps.com. I'm going to take a minute and show everyone a few of the basics of the website and the web app. Here we are at the home page, and let's just jump right into the map editor, and I'll take you on a little tour here of all the tools. What it's going to do, it's going to ask you for your email and password, and of course if you don't have one, sign up. You do not need to load up your account to sign up. It lets us know who's on. Down below you'll see this status bar change when I log in. So I've got my email, my password. Now watch this. I'm going to hit log in. It's going to tell me who it is that I'm logged in as. It's going to tell me that the map is locked and my account balance and credits here at the end. It's a pretty simple map. Just a drag function that's standard. Double click is a quick zoom. Let's see if we can zoom in here to the Sparks and Reno area. Instead of doing all those clicks, you can actually use this zoom to area in the box tool, which is one of my favorites. Pretty simple. For just a click, you can click the zoom in or zoom out. There is previous view, which is very nice if you want to go back one step and forward, just like in any browser. The drag, which is the standard when you pull it up. There is a few measuring tools, one for elevation, one for distance, and one for area. And for our international customers, we have English and metric systems. And the final button here is the refresh button. This is to be used when you've got many overlays and layers, and as you're zooming in and out with many details on your map. So let's get into editing a map. Now that we have all of our tools known to us, we need to unlock the map first, because you'll see in our layers, which we'll dive into in just a minute, that these are all locked. A few of them are available for you to view at your own discretion, but all of the overlays are locked and many of the base layers are locked as well. So we go back to the main page. We're going to unlock this map. It's going to ask us if we'd like to use a credit to unlock this map to edit for 12 hours. Of course we're going to say yes, and you can see down here on our status bar we've just used one credit. So now everything's unlocked. You can go to layers. You can see everything's available for us. So let's go back to the Reno and Sparks area. All right, center it up here. Let's zoom in just a little farther. These base layers will help you with the various needs you have for your maps. Some are much thinner than others. You can see this is a pretty busy base layer. But I want to check on the population of adults in this county. I believe it's Washoe County. So let's go to a more simple base. There's one. We can still see the roads and the cities. Let's zoom out a bit so that we can get a few counties in this view. There we go. So we've chosen a good base layer. So let's go to overlays. We're in the United States. And population. Looks like we have a choice between the 2000 and 2010 consensus. Let's choose the latest. And let's see what we can find out by county. So let's see how many adult Native Americans live in this area by county. So we click that layer, pops right up. You can see we've got populations notified and the borders of those counties. If we want to change, we can go to white adults, click on that, and you can see the map is overlaid, so we're going to turn the Native American layer off. And this one's even color-coded, showing you by population.